Creations, Matt's Custom Creations. Watch 'em unbuild, watch 'em unbuild, watch 'em unbuild. Lego for you.
Hi, this is Matt, and to celebrate my first 50 subscribers, I'm doing something new here, and I'm doing a triple barrel Lego blaster. Let's see that again with some different colored darts. Well, that was fun. Here's a top look of the blaster, and you can see the rubber band that returns the trigger after I pulled it. So here's how you load it. The barrels are actually those little blaster pieces that you find in a lot of Star Wars kits. Here's a look at the handle from below. The whole handle is very minimalistic. So let's pull apart this side panel, and you can see the mechanics of what's going on in there. The middle barrel is actually a little bit lower, so it'll fire first. Then the top outside ones will fire. Here's the right side of the blaster. Overall, I was going for sort of a space ray gun look. Here's another look at the grip from below. There's the business end, and here's the aiming end. So what do you say we start taking this sucker apart? Whoops, should have designed a safety. Oh, what's this you say? Well, 3 barrels are good, 6 barrels must be better. So I'm going to do something different here again and show you a build versus an unbuild. So I've modified the lever end of the trigger to be longer, and I've moved the trigger stop back a little bit farther. The back of the blaster, when I build the body, is going to wind up being a little bit taller. There's a little test run to make sure it's working. There, the body of the gun is back on. You can see the 6 barrels now. There's the view from the top. I'd really like to thank my 50 subscribers I do have, as well as my family and friends and all those who have supported me in getting this channel together and putting out decent content, I think. That was a full trigger pull in real time. Let's see what it is when we do it in slow-mo. Thanks again, everybody, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Bye, y'all.